What's going on, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in with another project for you. This is the 07 F-150 we've been talking about. And today's project is this LED strip bar. Pretty much, older vehicles used to have a light, and now these more modern, they decided to cut budgets. So I decided to go with this AliExpress version as compared to the F-150 LEDs, and just because it's more cost efficient. And I decided to kind of run it there through the hood and have a little bit more of an OEM type of setup. Should have ran a grommet, but then again, that's the reason I ended up putting the wire protector on it, and then run it to the positive and one to the actual my alarm system hood latch, so that way I could just hit that bad boy, turn it off, and then boom, last minute I open my hood, it's like bam, it's right there. They do offer other projects like this LED bar on your front mount right here, but I actually like this one a lot better, and the Morimoto XB type of LED headlights. So if you guys are interested, not that I'm promoting it, but better light output and cost effective. So yeah, it's another project. Thanks for checking in. Subscribe for more. Talk to you then.